Hello everyone, welcome back. So we were solving questions of the chapter exponent and powers. So again today we will solve few more questions. So the first question is, we have to simplify the given number, which is 25 into 5 raised to the power 3 into t raised to the power 8 into 2 upon 10 raised to the power 3 into t raised to the power 6. Alright, so we have a complex number given and we have to simplify it, and then we will write it in the exponential form. So but we can see here they are not only numbers, but they are variables as well. So there is a variable t, it's nothing much, we will treat it as a normal base. Alright, so let's see how we will solve this. So first we will break this number 25 into 5 into 5. Okay, again we will copy the same, into t raised to the power 8 into 2 upon, now this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 whole to the power 3, alright, into t raised to the power 6 is equals to, now 5 into 5 is 5 square, okay, 5 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 3 into t raised to the power 8 into 2. Now let's separate this t, the two t's together. Let's write them together. This can be written as t raised to the power 6. Now we know this law, if we have two numbers in product and there is a whole power to them, suppose m, so we can write the two bases separately in their product and we will give the power separately to them. Now we will use this law over here. Okay, so this can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 into 5 raised to the power 3. Okay, now we have two same bases and they are being multiplied, so we can write it as 5 raised to the power 2 plus 3. Now we can write this 5 raised to the power 3 over here. Now they are same basis t, okay, and the powers are different and they are being divided, so this can be written as t raised to the power 8 minus 6, okay, into, now we can see it has 2 raised to the power 1 and this 2 raised to the power 3 can be written over here. Okay, now next step is 5 raised to the power 5 upon 5 raised to the power 3 into t raised to the power 8 minus 6 is 2 into, again there are two similar bases and they are being divided, so we can write it as 2 raised to the power 1 upon 1 minus 3. Now here again we will subtract this two powers since they are being divided, so this can be written as 5 raised to the power 5 minus 3 is 2 into t raised to the power 2. Now so this will be 2 raised to the power 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay, since 3 minus 1 is 2, but 1 minus 3 will come to minus 2.
We know we
now we know that we know one thing, that if
we
you have
subtract 1 from 3
a positive base,
but we are subtracting
with a negative
number
power
from a smaller
okay,
number,
this can be written as 1 upon a raised to the power m. Alright, we will apply this over here, so this can be written as 5 square into t square into 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 5 square into t square upon 2 square. Now we will apply this same law over here since there are numbers in multiplication and division too, so this can be written as 5 into t upon 2. Since all the powers are same, we can give the whole power to them and this will be written as 5t upon 2 whole to the power 2. Now the next question is question number 2, which is 2 raised to the power 8 into a to the power 8 into p raised to the power 3. We have two variables over here. Okay, these variables are nothing much, we will treat them as bases, upon 4 raised to the power 3 into a raised to the power 5 into b raised to the power 2. This is a simple one. Okay, we will copy the same thing over here into, now let's separate the same bases, a raised to the power 8, a raised to the power 5 into b raised to the power 3 upon b raised to the power 2. Now can we write 4 as 2 square? right? Because 4 is equals to 2 into 2, which is equals to 2 square. Okay, so in place of 4 we will write 2 square, because we need to get a similar base, and we have a power over there, so we will give the power whole over it, which is 3. So this is equals to 2 raised to the power 8 upon 2 raised to the power, since there is a bracket, and we can simply multiply the two powers, which is equals to 3 into 2 is 6 into. Now we will subtract the the bases are same and the exponents are different, and they are being divided, so we will subtract the exponents, which is equals to 8 minus 5 into b raised to the power 3 minus 2. Okay, and this is equals to 2 raised to the power 8 minus 6 into a raised to the power 8 minus 5 is 3 into b raised to the power 3 minus 2 is 1. Again 2 raised to the power 8 minus 6 is 2 into a cube into b. So this can be written as 4. 2 square is 4, a cube into b. So the answer is this. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood what we did today. Please like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.